Hello, today I'm in BMW M8. In this video I'll show you how to manage intelligent safety function. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Press this car button and now you can enable all intelligent safety settings, set up individual plan, select all off, or configure individual. For example, you can change front collision warning between early, medium or late, side collision warning between on or off, lane departure warning between early, medium, reduced or off, lane change warning between late, early, medium and late or off, and also you can enable or disable steering intervention. In the end, you can change give me warning function between early, medium, late or off. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.